We're live on Facebook, Don. How's it going?
It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. It's great to be back at the show because it's been a break of about 5 years or so, I think, really. But it's great. We've had a fantastic reception, a lot of positive feedback, and some people we've been talking to, they've had sports bikes and thinking about, just talking to that gentleman there, he's thinking about maybe...
He's going to come in and see us for a fat bob, aren't you?
He said that.